you not have a regular cycle? And do you also struggle with weight loss? I'm gonna give you a simple tip that you can do daily. What you're gonna do for me is you're gonna take a thumb of ginger and you're gonna slice it. You're also gonna take a couple of cinnamon sticks and you're gonna put it in a canister and drink it like a tea, and do this daily. Now, the ginger can help regulate a cycle. It can also reduce hunger cravings, and it can also burn calories. Now, the cinnamon can help you with your blood sugar levels. This great combination and drinking the water can help you to let adipose tissue or fat tissue leave the body. And so if you can do this consistently, it can help you not only regulate your cycle, but it can also help you on your weight loss journey. Now, in addition to doing this daily, I'm gonna give you an acupressure tip that can help not only regulate the cycle, but that can also help with all sorts of digestion. It can help you improve metabolism, it can help you with bloating, it can also help you with gas and constipation. So what is the acupressure tip? You can take either forearm, and then what I want you to do is simply massage it couple minutes, couple times a day. Now, if you end up becoming pregnant, please don't do this, but till then, this is a great tip to help you regulate a cycle and also can help you with any type of tummy issues. In fact, people of all ages, including children, love this tip. We're gonna do it together for just the next 30 seconds, and I'm gonna explain to you why this acupressure tip works so well. This acupressure tip actually mirror images the entire body, whether it's the uterus, the fallopian tube, the stomach, the spleen, large intestine, or small intestine. So as you can imagine, as the body becomes more balanced, then it has more available resources and hormone especially, not only to help you with weight loss and also can help you regulate that cycle. I want you to do this tip couple minutes, couple times a day till you get 3 consistent cycles. And of course, work with the recommendations of your physician. And if you go down to the description below, you can also contact us and we'll have some course materials that we can help you along the way with. Subscribe to our channel for more wonderful tips on our 30-day journey. Stay consistent with it, and I wish you looking and feeling the best as a woman here on the planet. Wish you well.